I started my career in Qatar on July 2007. At present, I am working as an induction trainer on a New Doha International Airport project. For last 3 years, I am working over there since August 2009. Before that, I was working in Shell GTL project. I performed my duty for last two years. Since 2007 to 2009, I performed my duties. This is the world's largest, biggest GTL project with peak force of 50,000 employees, and it is very difficult to manage all these people, and I think it was very good that JMG have stepped up in that project. They told me that we are going to come here permanently now. Then I told what kind of training it is, and they told this is IINF training, the concept which will make everyone go home safely. Then I was just thinking, go home safely means how it is exactly, I don't know. And then they came and then they started conducting training for all management people. After a few months, 2 months, they started inviting workers, laborers and other skilled workers from other different contracted companies. They used to come daily, and then I asked Doug, what is going on exactly? I can't get it because I am on the security reception. There are a lot of people coming there, and it was very difficult for me to manage as well. There are a lot of people, more than per session 30, 40 at once they will come, and when they came back from that session, they were coming in line peacefully. Their attitude was really changing towards their behavior. They were changing their attitude. They were coming with smiling face. And then I was just like thinking I should approach Doug and ask him for a chance for me to attend that IF session also, because I was very interested to know what is exactly actually. I asked and permission to project manager. Doug Moll mailed my project manager, and my project manager called me, you go and attend IF session. I have observed the relationship triangle. It says that bigger and stronger relation we grow, we achieve together. This is what biggest change comes when we go in INF. This is what I saw, interacting with each other. We are friends with unknown people. We can understand others' feeling. There are a lot of things we learn from INF, and this is how I learned from INF that relationship towards IF is very important. Relationship towards safety is very important, and safety is our own responsibility, and we have to take care of each other as well around us who are working in the site, so that our friends, they have their families. We have to go safe. If by mistakenly we are going with one leg, one hand back to India, it is not good. There are father, mother, sister, brothers, they are waiting for us. They think Pankaj will come, he will bring a lot of things for us. We are here to make our livings. The reason we are here is that our family, purpose of coming in Qatar, working, and we have to go safe. That is very important. Otherwise, no use of coming in Qatar. We are here to make our livings, and we go settle down with our family peacefully. They say the purpose of incident and injury free is that we have to make things the purpose of coming of Qatar. What is the purpose of coming of Qatar? It is the family. The family is the reason we are here, and we have to make sure that we are taking care of each other. It is August 1st or 2nd, Abbas Shah have met me, and we were in the conversation talking about IF, lot of people coming, how it can give them impact and how good can be for their family as well. You would like to be an IF session leader? Abbas Shah have told me. I told how I can be IF session leader. I don't know about safety. I don't know how to train people. I told don't do, because I was scared that time, because if I approach directly here, I didn't concern with my project manager saying that I am going to be in OLW session, I want to be an IF session leader. Without my consent, there will be a lot of things, because there are a lot of barriers in between management and the employees, because I was afraid, because I was just scared that I will lose my job. Then Abbas sir have mailed to Shell management IF team. Suddenly I received a call on the same evening asking that what kind of training is this. My project manager asked me. I told, sir, this is IF session. We have to conduct this training for our group of securities also, and it will help everyone to go home safely. And he called me very next day morning in the office. I went to office, and my project manager asking, how you can send all home safely? How do you know that there will be no incidents with them, and how you can send? I told, no, it is not about that. When you will attend an IF session, that time you will know how you will go home safely, because it is about relation which we learn in the IF session. We have to coordinate with each other. We have to take care of each other, because there are a lot of barriers in the site between supervisors and the workers. Sometimes supervisor will not coordinate with workers, workers will not coordinate with supervisors. Sometimes workers will not coordinate with their colleagues also. That barriers we have to cut down so that we take care of each other. It is very important. And that time he realized, yeah, this is very true. 50,000 employees have to go home safely from this project, and will go from this project safely because there is an IF session. He was totally agreed. Pankaj, you are going to OLW session. It was 19th August until 21st August. 3 days I attended that OLW session. First day gone, second day, and it was the third day, last day. It was the time that in the evening time we have to go with one slide each, everyone, and we have to conduct as we are a IF session leader before we get a certificate. And I was just thinking that I will get certificate, that I will be IF session leader, so no problem. But there was one thing that I know I have to do it perfectly, because I know when I will deliver this IF concept to our attendees, it should be in a perfect manner so that they can understand what is IF and what is the purpose of IF, being in IF Shell project, and they should be aware that they have to go safely to their families, because there is family waiting for them. This is not a game. We are not playing games here, and we have to make sure that they are going home safely. We have family, same way they also have family. We have to make sure that they understand us very well. We have to give that education. We have to make sure that they are working properly with each other. They have to take care of each other. For 2 months, I am doing an IF session. I am conducting IF session for G4S. I started conducting for different subcontractors company, NSH, Gamma, CCIC. I take this training to lot of other subcontracted company. I trained nearly more than 1,000 hours, training hours. I have conducted nearly more than 1,000 training hours in Shell GTL project. While conducting training, I never know that we have already completed giving training for G4S, and that time all companies were saying that we will approach first, we will comply against IF 100% first. There are a lot of subcontract companies, they were telling me we will take awards on IF by completing 100% of the employees of our company. But finally it was me, I think. I never know that I have already completed giving training for my employees, and suddenly there was an audit, and then we just calculate the number of our employees, and finally I came to know we have already achieved 100% compliance giving training on IF for our employees. And there was an IF and there was a safety award day on 14th October 2008. Before that, it was finalized that G4S Security Service Company is going to get an award on IIF, and suddenly I received a mail from my project manager saying that you are getting award for incident and injury free champion on Shell GTL project. And when I read this mail, I ran away to Doug sir and saying that, what is this sir? I'm getting an award. Doug sir said, you deserve it. That's why you are getting it.
Yeah, I remember Pankaj coming in very excited saying, I've just been selected as the very first Shell Pearl GTL IIF champion. And I just remember thinking, we couldn't have chosen anyone better. When we started IIF, when we first started on the site, we used to come in and say, God, he used to take care of us, kind of make sure we knew where we were going. when we were doing IAF sessions in the EPCM part of the buildings, he'd take everybody in, sit them down, and then he eventually said, what is IAF? And we said, come and sit down, and you can come to a session. And then he finished the training and said, I'm going to train all 4,000 security guards, on the whole plant. And he did. He just quietly went about it. So it was lovely when we presented him with the first official IIF champion certificate, presented by, Andy Brown, and it's just wonderful. And I'm very proud of it.
And it was 14 October. I'm going to conference room in PMC. They called me and I was with the security dress and all. There are a lot of big people sitting in that conference room. Directors from different countries, Linda Cook, President of Shell, Andy Brown and all, Rob Cratchits. I just a bit confused with these big people because I was always thinking that I am a small guy and how I can adjust with these big management people. After being there, I was just sitting comfortably. My management people came to receive an award. Our general manager Nasser Al Malki, project manager Prithvi Raj, they have already supported me and they are always supporting me for IIF actually. And when they came to know about more and more about IIF, they were very happy to know that this concept I have undertaken to promote on this project, and they were very happy for this. And then I was sitting on the chair, and then finally my name announced by Andy Brown, saying that Pankaj Gawande is an incident and injury-free champion for Shell GTL project. And that time I was the first one to get this award. I was so happy, so happy. It is like a lottery for me. I never predict and I never thought that I'm going to get this award. I achieved it, and I'm very proud to be an IIF session leader. I'm very proud to be an IIF champion as well. Suddenly, I have taken a mic from Andy Brown. I requested him, I want to give a good speech. I want to give a speech to an employees, and I took that mic and I started talking there. I was just very emotional that time. I don't know what to say because I was speechless, because I don't know what is going in my life. This is unexpected thing happened in my life, as receiving an incident injury-free champion award in front of all these directors. And this is like a magic. My management also surprised that you are going in IIF. We are getting 3 awards suddenly, only within 2 months. And I thank Andy Brown, I thank all IIF team to bring me in this great journey. Actually, I should say IIF is a journey. It's a big journey. Wherever you will go, this IIF will go. And wherever IIF is there, there will be no incidents and accidents. I can make sure that there will be incident and accident. There is no chance. In keeping the workplace safety, our obligation grows. It's neither money nor the company. It's about our family, as we all know. The obligation of safety is not a joke. Our bodies are our families. We do not want broke. Before you leave home each day, look at your loved ones and say for you, I will work safe today. Our obligations, not just about us. Keep reminding one another, safety is a must. To see a hazard and walk away, you are allowing injury to come your way. The real truth, our lives are at stake. Nobody wants to live that fate. You will have to live the rest of your life knowing you left loved ones alone that night. Safety at home or in workplace is an obligation to every day. This is what I mean actually. We have to be safe every day because we don't want to leave our family behind crying because we are not there in this world anymore.